Welcome. In this video, I will quickly explain how to use the Pro mode on your Samsung Galaxy A57 camera. To start the Pro mode, you have to open the camera on your smartphone, then go to More, Video or Photo modes, and select Pro if you want to capture photos, or Pro Video if you want to capture videos. In both modes, you'll be able to adjust the ISO, the shutter speed, the white balance, and manual focus, which can be switched between manual and auto. So we can adjust the ISO right here, the shutter speed right here, the white balance here, right here, I'm sorry. And if you want to reset settings, tap the refresh icon to the left from the values on this toolbar. Now if we take a look at Pro Video, we'll be able to see that we have pretty much all the same features in this mode. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.